let's just say that all the students that we have comes in different batches. So I need to insert one column between these two. To select the column behind, you need to select the forward cell. B, I will highlight and then insert. It will be inserted behind that. After that, we will mention the heading batch, and there are different batches for each student. For example, someone is coming in morning batches, some in afternoon batches, some in evening batches. And you can repeat in any manner. Just give a random one. For writing further, I will just select this and double click, so it will automatically repeat the patterns. But I can notice a problem here. The problem is I've copied and pasted the formatting, but it seems to distort all the formatting that we had, and it doesn't look good. So what to do? Do we have to apply the format as table again and then convert to range again? No. See if any column have the right formatting. Yes, all of them. So the column which has the right formats, you will just select this column and select format painter. You have little brush inside this. It's just like you have dipped the brush in the paint, and then as you selected the column, you have to paste on the column. So that's how easy Excel is, and that's what we are learning. We are not here to do a data entry and a donkey kind of work. We have to do a smart work, not hard work, okay? Now we have to apply filters to it. Now we have to see the results only for the morning batches. The students who are coming in the morning, I just need the report for that only. But these are all mixed. So what to do? What you need to do is just hold Control Shift and move towards right. The easiest way of doing it is that. Select all the headings, go in the Insert tab, and then go on Sort and Filter and select Filter. Okay, so you have little drop downs at every heading. Sort and filter means sorting means arranging in alphabetical order, A to Z, Z to A, and ascending order, descending order if you have numbers. And filtering means that filter the particular results, means like it's the case here. I don't want the students for all batches. I need only for the students who are coming in the morning. So as soon as I click on this drop down, you can notice that you have little line here. That's a boundary line where sorting options end. So it means you have three sorting options. You can either sort it by A to Z, Z to A, and you can also sort it by color. But we have some filter options here also. We are not going to see all of them at once, but we will see the basics of it. So you have the data gathered. It suggests that in this column, afternoon criteria is there, evening criteria is there, and morning. These are the only options used within this column. So what do you need? Do you need all? No. So I will uncheck this. And what you need instead is the morning batches. So I will click on this morning batch, check it, and press OK. You are a genius person. Right away, you can filter this. So filter and sort, believe me, it's such a powerful option that even if you know sorting and filtering, you can do a lot in Excel. Similarly, if I press Ctrl Z, or okay, if you have applied filters on multiple headings at a single time, how you can clear them all. For example, I have the filter here, okay, and I have the filter here. So one filter is there and one filter is here, and I also put the filters in pass, so show me the students who passed. Press OK. Now you have 3 filters. How you can clear them all together? Going on to the sort and filter options and clear. So that's how you can apply filters. Now, what I want to do further is take the students on a party. Yo! Take the students on a party. But which students? The students who have between 75% and 80%, or let's say 85%. Because I'm quite sure that I don't have to take much students because my class is not very good. So what I will do is just select this percentage heading, click on this sorting option and go to number filters. You have all the options. You can highlight the numbers who are equal to 70%, does not equal to certain percentage, greater than certain percentage, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and between. You can also sort top 10%. So I think I might be taking maximum 10 students. So if I click on this, you have top 10 items. If you want to take much lesser students, you can click 5 and then OK. You have the top 5 genius students. Even the genius have 76%. So that's it. If you want to fill between, go to number filters and go on between. Is greater than or equals to 70% and is less than or equals to let's say 85%. Notice that you have to mention the percentage exactly, not write 70 and 70. 70 is not equals to 70%. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, so that's how you can sort and filter. I will clear this and we will see you in the next video.